Central Agricultural University Imphal kalapalong ye Jingialang ba arsngi ha ka Kyntiew bat khat pratar ke Jimang ha Umiam campus halor kapang Agrovision 2024 ha ka balawan ban shimenta de ki riu start ba pher chpang karep ka Riang ki Samla puli ki no hikai ni ki school ba ka dong lammi ngi kari India kilawan ban shimenta ka ni ka Jingialang Professor Sanjay Kumar Singh, Deputy Director General ICAR New Delhi, ulalong Kwangsan Hakani Jingialang, Balaydonlang Dr. Bityut Chandan Deka, Vice Chancellor Assam Agricultural University, Baru Dr. Anupam Mishra, Vice Chancellor Central Agricultural University. Kani Jingialang kaya tayru ikipang kipan Kyntiew karep karyang bari kinongrep hakani kathan jam kari India.
Extension scientist and policy maker of this country. I would like Khubor University, and he is in charge of Agrivision for the state of Meghalaya. And he is also the organizing secretary for the first zonal convention, Northeast Bharat. Central Agricultural University Imphal. He is an alumnus of JNKVV, Jabalpur, headed EIRD Jabalpur as director. He served in different positions of ICAR.
I would like to become an entrepreneur. I would like to have my own startup. If you look at the startup ecosystem in the entire country, most of the agriculture-based startup, who has started? The engineers. They even do not have the domain knowledge in the field of agriculture, but then they have started the startup in the field of agriculture. When we, the agriculture graduates, we have the domain knowledge, we look for the white collar job, not thinking about our own startup. So that's why Assam Agricultural University, we have taken a decision for which we have already started.